Smile and be happy. Be grateful for the good things in your life. Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the IT class. So, in the next week, you already know that we are going to start our second terminal, that is Christmas examination. So, your portions are chapter 7 and chapter 8. So, through this class, we are going to revise the chapters. Okay. First one is chapter 7, when fractions combine. So, in this chapter, there is no theory for you. You have to just study how to open J fraction lab. Okay, applications, education and J fraction lab. How can we open J fraction lab? Applications, then education and J fraction lab. Okay, see here you can change the language. Okay, that is in English, and we can change it into English, Malayalam or any other languages. So to changing the language, you can just click on the language option in the top portion. Okay, and you can change it to your language. Next, the J Fraction Lab is a software which helps us to playing games with fractions. Okay, so which software is used to or helpful for knowing more about fractions? Is J Fraction Lab. How can we open that? Applications, education, J Fraction Lab. Okay, next I have played some games with this. You have to read this chapter. Okay, next we are moving to chapter 8, that is maps at your fingertips. So in this chapter we have studying about K Geography software. How can we open K Geography software? Application, education and K Geography software. So here you will get lot of questions. From where did the rivers originated? From where did the rivers originated? From where? Yes, rivers are originated from mountain ranges. Okay, rivers are originated from mountain ranges. Next, name any 3 rivers which are originated from Himalayas. Here is the answer: the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Okay, so these 3 rivers are originated from Himalayas, which are the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Next, write about K Geography software. So, we will get lot of informations. See, such as first one is international boundaries. Second one is national flags. Third one is name of states and their capitals. Okay, so we will get lot of information such as international boundaries, national flags, names of states and their capitals. Okay, so this is the blue line. You can see blue line, that is the path through which Ganga flows. So through which states the Ganga is flowing? Can you answer? As through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and here West Bengal. Okay, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Okay. Now my next question is that how can we change the language in K Geography software? Here is the answer for that. Click on the help menu. Here you can see help menu. Click on the help menu. Then select switch application language. First click on help menu and select switch application language. So switch application language is in which menu? Help menu. Next, click on primary language. First, click on help menu. Next, select switch application language. Next, click on primary language and select US English for selecting the English language. Okay, US English. Next question is that how can you find the names of states of a country. How can you find? Yes, you have to just click inside the map to see the states. So you have to just place the cursor and just click on the state. Then the name of the place will be displayed. Okay. Then how can we find the capitals? Yes, when we are clicking on the state, the name of that state and its capital will be displayed. See, here I have clicked on this state. Now the name of this state and its capital is displayed. So Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Okay. Next, dear children, I have given 28 states and its capital. So you don't need to by heart that, but you have to study that. Okay, which means you have to know about the states and its capital. Okay, because you are 5th standard students, you are grown up, and you have to know about the states and its capitals. Okay. Next, how can we see the continents? How can we see the continents? Click on the button Open Map. Okay, click on Open Map button. Then select Asia. Now the map of Asia will open. Next, you can see the neighboring countries of India. Which are the neighboring countries of India? Is Pakistan, China, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. So how can you find out the neighboring countries? Click on K Geography software. Then click on each of the neighboring countries of India. Then observe their names by clicking. Okay. Next, how can you find the continents? How can you find out the continents? Yes, click on K Geography software. Then click on Open Map. Select Asia. Okay. This is the Open Map button. Select Asia. Here you can see a small box, that is countries. You have to write the name of the countries. China, India, Nepal, Russia, Pakistan. Okay, that is the various countries in Asia. Note down this box. You have to fill this. Okay, China, India, Nepal, Russia, Pakistan. Okay, any country you have to write. I am just giving the examples. Okay, write various countries in Asia means first one is China. Second one is India, Nepal, then Russia, Pakistan. Okay, so study this. Next, playing games. Okay, we can play games with the K Geography software. And dear children, you can see the activities. Okay, here identify the names of states which are bounded by the Indian Ocean using K Geography software. Okay, so you have to write down the names of states that are bounded by our Indian Ocean. Okay, so Indian Ocean, here you can write the states. Arabian Sea, which are the states? Yes, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Dear children, did you see the map of our country, India? Yes, you can see Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal at the bottom position of our map. So you can see Arabian Sea in the west side and Bay of Bengal in the east side. So you have to write the states that are in the west side: Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Next, Bay of Bengal. Yes. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and West Bengal. Okay, so you have to fill out this point and you have to study well for the examination, prepare well. So all the best, dear children. Thank you.